All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. I haven't made a video in a long time because it's been very, very busy. But that does not mean I haven't been practicing on the stock market. I haven't been looking at the stock market. I just haven't really had time to really dig into it and do some picks. But if you follow me on my channel, you know that I posted a. Let me show you over here. Let's go over to it real quick. Right here. Oh no, not here. Right here on my channel. You can make my video smaller here. Okay. So over here on my community tab, I put post, and this is what I posted. I posted up this right here. Okay. Price right here. It's at 84 cents. Okay. It's at 84 cents. Oh, I got 2 thumbs up, so someone's watching it. And it didn't show where I got in at. But I did say penny stock. Oh, I wrote it wrong. I was writing it fast. But penny stocks I'm watching today, okay? INTS. 4 hours ago, okay? 4 hours ago I posted this. Let's get back over to this right here. Let me log back in. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay. So, let's look at it. And like I always say, I don't invest a lot of money into the stock market until I feel very, very comfortable. So I do not care how many shares another person has. I don't care if someone says, "Oh, you only got 66 shares. I got 2,000." I don't care. Because 20%, 30%, 40% is all the same, okay? It's all the same amount. It's all the same percent, okay? You double your money or you triple your money, whatever, okay? So 66 shares. I'm going to show you guys right now here. Okay, so today's the 30th. I bought 16 shares at the average cost of 78, and then I kind of feel like it's going to be moving, so that cost me $12. And then here's another $41 I took from another stock that I made profit on. I bought 50 more shares, and so my average went up to that's 83 cents. So let's go back up here. See, my average is 82 now. So this is the price, my average of what the price I got in at, 82 cents. Now we're at $1.35. Okay, we're at $1.35. I'm up 64% right now. This thing could turn around and slam down, which I'm expecting that may happen today, sometime today. It's just my opinion. I kind of seen things run like this before, and then it gets way up here, and then it starts shooting down like somewhere over in here, right by $1. So let's keep an eye on this, because it's been a long time since this. Let me look over here. So if you look on the week, let me put that up here. On the week, look, on the week it was down in a 24 cent. A month it was down. A 3 month period it was down. So something's going on. I haven't looked at the news. I'm going to look at the news. Here's a year back. The last time we was at $1.34 was somewhere over here, somewhere in April, okay? Somewhere April, and it fell off the ledge. What's it, April 23rd, we was at $1.30. Okay, it fell off the ledge right here, $1.94. So we're at $1.33. It's possible that we could hit 140, 150. Now, this is the thing, okay? And it's been this long, April, since we've been up here. Max, let's go all the way back. Okay, here's the highest. Here's one of the highest prices over here, according to this chart right here, $7.60. It's probably higher than that, or $8.57. It doesn't mean it's going to go back here today, okay? I'm going to keep an eye on it. And I did tell you guys, I do have rules, okay? When you stock market, you got to try to have some kind of rules. When I reach down here, over here. Usually when I'm up like 30%, I'm watching it. I may get out at 30%, because you can't make 30% in the bank in a year's time. You can't, not in a savings account. So I made a rule. Like if a stock gets to 30%, I'm going to keep an eye on it. And if it runs up a little bit, I'm not going to let it come back below 30% before I sell it. Okay. And then if it keeps running and it approaches 50%, I'm going to watch it, and and I did. One of my rules is I'm going to sell at 50, but I have to keep watching it. So now 50 is my my out point. Okay, so we're at 70% right now. 70%. If we hit 100% on my return, I'm going to sell it. Okay, I'm going to keep a very, very close eye on it if I hit 100%, and then if it starts pulling back under, I'm going to sell it. Okay, I always kind of like move my stop loss point. I keep moving it up and up and up, but I keep watching it, especially stocks like this. Okay, so 66 shares, I went in at 40. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 50 something dollars I went in with. Okay, 50 something dollars I went in with. 50 something I bought shares, and I went in around 50 something dollars. Okay, now I'm at $95. Out of my 50 something dollars, I'm at 95. Was it 50 or was it 40? 4 or 5, yeah. So I went in with like 50 something dollars, and I'm at 98. Okay, so 81%. We're approaching 100%, and when it hits 100, I'm probably going to get out, but it's looking very strong. I need to look at the news now. I do have a theory. Okay, I do have a theory. This is the number that I'm watching right here. This $3.40 was the 52-week high. Let's go over here. Okay, $3.40 was the 52-week high. Now, I'm waiting for it to get to half of that. Okay, I wrote it down so you guys can see it. $1.70. $1.70. If it hits $1.70, I'm really going to keep an eye on it, and I most likely will get out when it hits $1.70. Okay, but I don't have time to look at the news right now because I'm off of work. I just wanted to make this video real quick so you guys can see it, because I haven't made a video for you guys in a long time. Okay, now it's trying to run. It looks nice, but it's kind of scary also, because this thing could turn around and, like, quick as it go up, boom, slam all the way back down somewhere over here. Okay, so let's keep an eye on it. $1.70, $1.70, $1.70. That's the price that I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to hit $1.70. Okay, if it overshoots $1.70, I'm going to expect it's going to go to $2. Okay, it's just my thought. But since this company hasn't been that far up, it's possible they will take their profit. They will sell some of their shares because they made some money. What's the volume? Let's see. Market value. So I'm at $100 right now. I'm at 92%. So I'm going to keep watching. It looks like a nice run up. Okay, I'm looking for that $1.70. Oh, it halted. Timber halted. Okay, now I really need to watch this now. Since it halted, it's probably going to turn around. And as soon as I see it open, I want to see which direction it's going to go, and then I'm going to get out, because I do not like halts. Hold up, it may hold up or down. Some people can see on their charts, depending on what platform they have, they can see which way the halt is going to go. But it's halted up right now, and it may be about to turn back around. Usually halts turn back around after maybe like the second. There's like things I watch. 3 halts. Okay, if it hold it up once, the second halt on the second halt to the third halt is probably going to turn around. Okay, second halt, people tend to get out. Okay, because it's probably a sign saying that, okay, it halted, too much money's coming in, they're selling, they're buying, whatever, and it's probably going to turn around. We're going to see. It may halt up and hit all the way up to 170. Okay, 170. This is my number right here. Okay, and it halted because it was approaching 170. I know it was. But if it hits that, I'm going to get out. If this halt turns around, starts to turn around, I'm getting out, because people's going to start selling. But yeah, so I'm up 92%. I can't sell it right now. It's just gonna put it in the queue if I try to, but we're gonna see. All right, guys, we're gonna see what happens later. I'll get back with you. Take care. Peace out.